What are the skill sets required for freshers who are trying to enter into technical field?
Yeah, for me, as I said, the biggest skill set is whatever you're learning in your college and those basic subjects are the most important skills. As I said, if someone comes in and says, I know only C, okay, I don't even know Java, but then my data structures are, my knowledge of data structures is very good, my knowledge of databases is very good. That's a big plus. Okay, compared to someone who has zero data structures, zero databases, but has done some jazzy course on web technology, it's of no use. So for me, if you ask me skill set, my answer still is the same subject that you learn in your college. Be very good at it. Do a lot of programming assignments. The problem is that whatever you learn, people don't end up. And there are database courses in the curriculum, but then people don't really know how to write SQLs. People don't really do database projects. People don't really write SQL. Explore more. And therefore, they might end up answering a question or two about database as to what is a database table, what is an index. But if you actually ask them two more questions in depth, they don't really have the answer for it. So I'm not really a big fan of telling people, this is the latest technology, so you guys should know about this. It's still, for me, the answer is, what is the skill set that people should have? Basic computer science skill set. Be good at data structures, be good at databases. There's no replacement for that. And I give this analogy always. To be a good cricketer, there's a lot of scope today to become in T20 and that and this. But still, if you don't have good defense, if you can't leave the ball properly, it's still, you'll probably end up playing a few matches, but not really become a Dravid or a Tendulkar or a Lakshman. So if you look at short-term goals, probably yes, you can end up doing some iPhone app development course or Java Struts, Ajax, that this. But then if you are there, if 5 years down the line, if you want to be a good architect, if 5 years down the line, if you want to build design systems, if you don't have basic computer science knowledge, you're not going to be able to do that. So you might end up in the first 1 or 2 years being able to be in a project where they assign you some features and you develop it. But without having a good foundation, you won't be able to excel in your career.